Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respectable Munawar Mahesar Sahab, again Mahesar Sahab, Chairman, Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Chandiyo Sahab, all the officers here, Assalamu Alaikum. I really appreciate Chandiyo Sahab for this gesture, because this is first of its kind which I am attending today. Although I have served at various places, but this is first of its kind that this event has been organized to acknowledge, to appreciate the successful candidates. And again, this shows ownership by Chandiyo Sahab and other colleagues also. So all those who are undergoing training at TMR, we have interaction already because I went there to have interaction with them. But for rest of them, maybe this is our first interaction. So, how many of you, whether you are in PMS or Police Department or Mukhtar Card, have been forced to join this? Please raise your hand. No one. Right? Means all of you are here by choice. Right? Okay. अच्छा, आप में से काफी डॉक्टर्स होंगे, इंजीनियर्स होंगे, MBA होंगे, हाईली क्वालिफाइड, मास्टर्स होंगे, ठीक है? So how many doctors are there? Engineers? So many. Masters? So majority of the participants we have highly qualified, right? Okay? So the point is, if you are an engineer, you had the choice to join the engineering profession. If you are a doctor, you had the choice to join medical profession, right? Similarly, when you have done masters in your specialized fields, you had the choice to make your career in that field. But on the contrary, you have preferred to join civil service, right? Whether it is PMS or police or Mukhtar Kar or PCS, okay? So now that is the point where we all have to do some soul searching, right? When I ask, better last में please बातें नहीं करें last में, ठीक? When I asked this question from myself also, first I did PCS in 2003, then I did CSS, I had done engineering. So I put these questions to myself also. If you are a good doctor, you can earn millions. If you are a good engineer, you can earn millions. You can make your career here in Pakistan, you can make your career abroad. Right? You have various choices. But you have preferred to join the civil service. Why? Any volunteer? Any volunteer? Just G. Better mic दे दें. Wanted to serve the public by joining the executive service. At the same time, you wanted to have some social status. A huge motivation for that. Right, ASP Sahiba? Am I right? There must be huge motivation behind that. So please, just for understanding or just for academic discussion, just share that huge motivation that motivated you to switch over from MPhil and PhD.